In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image on Canva. By the end of these 5 minutes, you'll have mastered the basics of adding your own imagery to your Canva designs with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. Here, you'll notice various options. You can either start a new design or open a recent one. Choose whichever option suits your needs, whether you feel like diving into a fresh creative project or picking up where you last left off. What's important is that you find yourself in the editing interface, ready to bring your design vision to life. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of the screen. This is your toolbox, the space where you'll find several tools and options to customize and finesse your design. You're looking for the tab labeled Uploads. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking Uploads opens up a new set of options devoted specifically to uploading media directly from your device. Among these options, you'll spot a button that says Upload Media. Clicking this button will prompt a dialog box to appear, giving you the freedom to browse through your computer files. Here, you can manually search and select the particular image you wish to upload. If you prefer a more direct and swift method, and if your image is already prepared and sitting on your desktop, go for the drag and drop feature. You simply drag your image directly into the upload area in the Canva editor and watch as it uploads automatically. Once the upload process is complete, your image will appear in the Uploads panel. You're almost there. From this panel, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping your image onto the canvas within your project space. Locate your desired image in the Uploads panel, and whether you click it or drag it across, place the image precisely where you envision it on your canvas. One of the fantastic aspects of Canva's design interface is its flexibility. Placing your image on the canvas is just the beginning. You're now free to adjust its size, alter its position, or even apply various effects and filters to ensure it resonates with your project's tone and style. Don't hold back from experimenting here. Canva provides a wonderful playground for creativity. These steps are your foundation for importing images into Canva and are tremendous for personalizing designs. It doesn't matter if you're working on a flyer, poster, Instagram post, or any other project. The magic of this process lies in its simplicity and the vast creative possibilities it opens up, letting you infuse any design with your unique style. So there you have it, the straightforward way to import images into Canva. With a little practice, you'll be enhancing your creations in no time. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.